Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create the cheapest flight booking WhatsApp bot using N8N, DeepSeek, Google Flights and Wootsap. You can set this up on your regular WhatsApp number or the cloud API and even integrate it with Amadeus API. I will walk you through how to connect everything step by step using DeepSeek, Google Flights and Wootsap. This is AI powered bot can search for the cheapest flight, provide booking links, convert currencies, and even chat in multiple languages. It perfect for travel agents or travel business. If you need any kind of automation work, feel free to contact me. Okay guys, once a customer contact us on WhatsApp and they send their inquiry, the AI bot will automatically send all the flight result from the Google Flights to them and they will get the booking link etc. here. As you can see here, the customers can see the booking link and they can check which is the best option, and all these options they can see here. They can convert the currencies and all these things are can do by the AI chatbot, and it can be convert into multi languages. So if the customer wants to use it on their own language, we can convert it, and you can see here all this can be done without any coding or programming knowledge. You can just add some API keys and you can run it on your N8N account. On the previous video I just created how to install N8N on your own web hosting. You can watch that and install N8N. Okay guys, first you need to get a premium N8N template. The link I will give in the description box below. You can just upload it on your workflow section. Then you need to clean up the node as you are seeing in the video. And you need to install a community node. To do that, go to the settings of N8N and go to the community node section, and you can go to this page. You can see here I will give the link in the description box below. You can just install this community node. It's free. You can just install. Once you install the community node, the node is activated. Now just go to your workflow and you can see your node is active here. Just connect it with your AI agent node and just open it. Actually I now just connected the SERP API, flight searching API. So you need to create your own credentials. So click on create new credentials and you can go to the API page, serpapi.com. Here you can sign up and you can get a API key. You can sign up with your Google account. Once you get the API key, just copy it and click on save, and it will automatically connect to your API key and everything works perfect. You can see here. Now here you can choose the Google Flight is the option on the operation tab. And now go back to your canvas and click on the DeepSeek AI section, and you can also create a new credential for the DeepSeek. So to do that, go to the platform.deepseek.com and get the API key from there. You can click on create API key, just copy the API key and paste it there. After that, click on save, and now API key is connected. Now go to Wootsap. You can see here Wootsap node. Just open it and you need the instance ID and instance token. Go to the manage instance section and you can copy your instance ID and you can paste it on your instance ID section, and you need an API token. For that you need to go to the API access section and you can copy the token from there and just paste it there. Once you've done all these things, click on save and go to the first webhook URL and just copy the production URL, and you can paste that on your instance section and click on save. That's it. Now just turn on your workflow. That's it. Your workflow is ready and your customers can now send flight booking related inquiries on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.